What's up, you guys? I'm gonna keep it epic with y'all. I'm really only filming this video so I can show my stylist, which I really don't have a personal stylist, but whoever I choose to do my hair, I'm gonna show them this is how I want it done, because I feel like this is so hard to explain over text. So I'd rather make a whole video, do my hair myself, and then show the stylist. But this video is for my DIY girlies who want to secure their passion twist and let it last. So you're going to start off by plaiting your natural hair. Then you're going to crochet the extension passion twist hair through. Then you're going to start braiding, because you'll have 3 separate pieces. And right here, you're going to split your natural hair and then twist, like roll it into the extensions. Then twist and then roll the other side that's not twisted and just continue twisting. That sounded like a tongue twister. I'm so sorry, but I do show you this a few more times, like 2 more, and you're just gonna repeat these steps. I feel like this is very easy. The advice I would give is to just make sure your grip is a little firm. Like, you don't have to like do it uncomfortably tight, but just make sure that your grip is firm enough to where it's secured. The tighter you do it, the more defined and neat your twist will be. But the looser you do it, the more thicker, bigger your twist will be. Also, depending on the section of hair, like your thickness. So obviously you see not all of my twists are seamless, because some pieces and parts of my hair are thicker than others. So yeah, that's about it. I absolutely love this style. I think the color is really pretty. I will link the hair where I got it from. It'll be my Amazon storefront. I'll be posting a video so you guys can see. And yeah, I also, this was pre-twisted hair, so I only work with pre-twisted hair because I feel like it's just much easier for the hair to come out looking like a twist and less technique. So I only work with pre-twisted hair when I'm doing passion twists. So when I get that hair, I unravel the hair to prep it and then, install it into my own. So yes, you guys, I think the hair was around like, what, $30? I think it had a deal. So that was low-key a steal, which I love. So I'm really grateful. I'm happy. And I hope that, whoever came here looking for like a deep tutorial, this wasn't it. But I hope you found some inspo, and you can either show this to your stylist or you can attempt to do what I was doing based off of what you see. And yes, as y'all see, this middle part was not giving. I had to go with the side part, and I felt super cute with that. So I did mousse my hair, to give it some more definition, get rid of some flyaways, and I absolutely love it. The color was cute. So yeah, stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, y'all.